So, sir, as you know, AI has taken most of the professions these days. I also heard that you are from the software background and you
Yes.
just switched to law profession.
Yes,
So,
yes.
how do you feel? How do you opinion that AI has transformed or brought any change in the judiciary? So, how would you recommend or opinion about
Yes,
that?
ma'am. See, the technology over times have changed the judiciary, the face of the judiciary very much. Like earlier, you used to have, if you go to the court, if you have a case, then you have to jot down manually the next date.
Yeah.
And most of the people used to miss that. Now, with the invasion of e-court systems and all, like easily you can check the next date. You will attend the proceedings and you can leave. And later on, the judge will allot you a next date,
Yeah.
and you can check your e-courts and present yourself. And all the proceedings are now recorded in the e-courts. That is
Yes.
one more biggest thing and best thing that has happened to the judiciary. And apart from that, you are getting live feeds and all because of the technology only. Now you can appear in the Supreme Court of India, you can appear in the trial courts across the country. Most of the high courts, they are gone live, and you can appear for emergency situations also. You can appear anywhere, wherever you want.
So, it is helping
yes,
everyone.
greatly.
Yeah.
But yes, the first question was about the AI. This is about the technology, and AI is like surely like it is a very big thing in the
Game changer, you
Yes,
can
game
say.
changer, definitely, absolutely. Yes, you're a smart lawyer. So it's a game changer, definitely, with the invasion of advent of Chat GPT kind of, and even Perplexity, if I'm not wrong.
Perplexity, yeah.
So all these things like. It's a game changer, but definitely the AI should not make the people lazy, because drafting is one of the biggest things, the skill that an advocate needs to have. Young
Crucial
lawyers
thing,
needs to
yeah.
yes needs to have. Even Dr. Vikas Singh, the SCB Honorable President, His Excellency, was saying the same thing, that the young lawyers should not get carried away with the Chat GPT. So whatever draft you want a writ petition, you want a criminal petition, you want a contempt petition, you're just taking the drafts from the Chat
yeah.
GPT and adding something and filing. There is one more thing, like one of my advocate friends has told me, there is something called Tammaji software or something that one of
Okay.
our own High Court staff has developed it. Tummaji
Okay.
software, yes.
Okay.
So what happens in that is, like, you just have to feed the names and you have to select the petition name.
Okay.
Within 1 minute you will get the entire petition. You just have to write a few dates or your 1 or 2 facts, and you can go ahead and file it. As simple
Really?
as that.
I didn't know about this,
And
truly.
they are selling for few thousand, 5,000 something odd. So it's a great thing. But what I suggest you is,
Everything
format
has
can
a-
be used. There's no
yeah.
issue. But don't become complacent. That is my suggestion. Try to improve your
Own skills.
efficiency. Yes, don't depend on AIs and all. If it's necessary, then you can bank on it. But the whole thing, 100% dependency is not advisable. So, but it's going to be surely a game changer.
So you feel you suggest or your opinion that human brain is far better than AI. So even if you can take the references from that, but still you need to work a little bit on your case.
There is nothing that can replace human brain.
Yeah.
If Chat GPT can do everything, or your AI can do everything, then all the cases you can give it to your robo, and robo will adjudicate it. And
Yeah.
I'll tell you one more important thing. All young advocates like you, everything is there in the book. Everything is there in the sections.
Yeah.
Then why, if a person commits murder, it is clear in the book that he has to be either hanged or he has to
Yeah.
be sentenced to life. Then what is the need of the judge? And why is there a need of 5 or 10 years? My friend also asked me the same question in the morning. If everybody can use the lie detectors, then the courts can solve the problems within 1 day. So
Procedure remains the
yes,
procedure,
yes.
right?
No, the main thing is like interpretation is the main thing. Advocates, where we step in, is all about the interpretation. There are hundreds of judgments in various scenarios that the Supreme Courts, the Honorable High Courts, have adjudicated. So based on those things, we will argue that these are the facts applicable to the present case, and this is what the earlier High Courts have said, this is the Supreme Court has said. Then the final decision lies with the judicial officer. He can be the Honorable Sessions Judge, he can be Honorable Magistrate,
Yeah.
or else he can be the High Court Honorable Justice, or else Honorable Supreme Court. They can make the decision on their own based upon your briefings, what you're giving to the court. That is all your interpretation. Then
Yeah.
the Honorable Court will give their own interpretation. If there is something wrong in that, you can challenge it.
Yes.
So this is what. So technology can help only to certain extent. It cannot overrule the human brain.
See, it can never
Yes,
win.
yes,
us.
yes, absolutely. Yes, yes, absolutely.
So thank you so much
Thank
for
you
your
for
time.
the question. Thanks a lot.